Hello there, Taurus. How are you? I hope you're all having a good one. This is going to be your energy check over the rest of the month. Over the month here, over March. Hopefully it will actually resonate. Because not all of it's going to resonate here. Okay, Taurus. Alright, I am going to get into your energies. I'm going to look at the oracle first, and then I'll be looking at the tarot, as I always do. Okay, Taurus. Alright, universe, ancestors and guides. Let's look under Taurus's energy, please, over the rest of March. All of you are welcome at my channel, Taurus. As always, all the new and all the old. We're always coming back, Taurus. It's amazing to have you all here. And I'm going to put them back. Universe. Let's look at Taurus's energy over the rest of March. Okay, you might be dealing here with a partnership. Could be under love, under business, over money. Let's see. At your first card here, Taurus, universe, ancestors and guides. Thank you. This is about taking your leadership, and you are possibly having an intention in your plan, or there's a person around you with intentions. Okay, possibly about a partnership or a person you know here. You're under the friendship card. It's about taking your leadership and of your power, and it's also about opening up your plans or your possible over your intentions. Okay, there's a person here waiting for that here, possibly, Taurus. This is either you or a person you're dealing with. It could be an Aries, alright, or even a Leo, or even a Cancer. But it's about having that courage and that inner power. It's all here, alright? Alright, Taurus, let's look at your next card. Let's look under the Fortune Oracle deck. In your energy, Taurus, universe, ancestors and guides. Let's look at Taurus's energy, please. Over the rest of March. To the side of Taurus. That keeps coming out, Taurus, over the world. Ending cycles, opening up to new. Let's have a look. Taurus, universe, for the sign of Taurus and only Taurus, under the sun sign. It is possibly an Aries, or it is possibly even a Leo. Because I was doing, is it actually Leo's energy reading, and this card kept coming out here, lovers. Possibly you got two people here, possibly two paths ahead, possibly two people, but it's asking you to be true to yourself. And I'm actually making a choice here. Alright, Taurus. Over love. It's asking you to be aware, you be careful. Under the Lion, that's energy Leo again. But it's about people who are actually around you. And it's all about you moving here positively. Having that intention, okay? Over making a wise choice. After taking your leadership, right? It's all adding up now, okay? This is how it works, Taurus. Okay, let's look at the wisdom of the Oracle deck. Wow, can you see that, Taurus? Alright, Taurus, let's look at your next card. There again. Taurus. Possibly a marriage, it might be about even a marriage. It's about owning up to the truth and actually making a choice. Overtaking your leadership. Let's look at your next card, Taurus. Over the rest of March. In your energy, please, universe. Taurus. Taurus. Taurus, universe. Here is a blessing. It's under the time here to go. This is about taking action on that energy, here with the soulmates. This is obviously a blessed to your connection, okay? Either they're coming to you with equal give and take, or even a gift. Or this is your energy, Taurus, putting an offering, right? After possibly observing everything, right? Alright, Taurus, there is a blessed energy card here, right? Alright, Taurus, I'm going to get into the tarot now and have a see what this is about under the leadership in your energy, Taurus. Taking back your power, Taurus. And we're making the first move. Let's have a look. Universe, ancestors and guides, we all like to have a look at this energy under the leadership over the rest of March in Taurus's energy, please. There's a justice, there is the magician. Looks like it's a winner, Taurus. It looks like you're going to be winning here. After actions here cause effects. Actions cause effects. Actions have consequences. Alright, Taurus, let's look at the leadership. Over your concerns, open up about your concerns, open up, here you are. I need to take my power back, I need to sort this out. This is that energy. Here with the tower, boom! I need to do something, because it's got to change. Taurus. Yeah, it has to change. There's an opportunity coming, Taurus. After disappointment and you after regrets. Here with the wheel. There's a change coming. After disappointment, after regrets. There's an offer coming. This is either somebody wants to come forward here with an offer. Either after disappointment, either after regretting something. Possibly wants to rebuild. This person here might be bored and hiding the feelings, right? But this is a change, right? Under the tower. Let's look at you now under the lovers. This is about being honest here with yourself and others. But it's about making a choice here. Two opportunities coming. Either two people here, two opportunities. Under love, under work, under money. Could be anything. Right? Okay, Taurus. Let's look at the lovers. Our energy Gemini. Taurus. Let's look at the lovers. Your choices to make. You're taking your power back, Taurus. Or it's a person who's taking their power back. Because they've had enough, right? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Because this is a heavy burden, a hard choice to make, Taurus. Yeah, you don't know what to do. And there is the lovers. This is why I said absolutely wow. This is about a choice. Of choices have your consequences. I'm hearing that in my head, Taurus. Possibly you're walking away here. This is a Pisces or air energy Gemini. You're on to another opportunity. This person, you might have two opportunities. You're under this energy. Possibly another party involved. But the Eight of Cups is here. This is about you walking away out of the heavy burden and actually making a choice here to walk away, right? And open up to new. Because here is a blessing coming. This is that blessing here, Taurus. I've actually gone cold again. Taurus. Let's look at the blessed energy. This is a blessing after you walk away here, possibly. Let's have a look at the blessed. There's a rainbow over the lights. There is a light at the end of the tunnel even, right? Let's look at the blessed energy, Taurus. Happiness, inner joy, possibly relief, right? Also, it is possible. King of Cups, having that confidence on that opportunity. There we go, here it comes. Here it comes. It's possibly a water sign here. Under the Temperance. All happens in divine timing, Taurus. Possibly an Aries. Or a water sign. This is about making a wise choice here after using your intuition. You're under the King of Emotion. Or this is a person incoming here with an offer, right? Okay, Taurus. This is either you or this is a person you're dealing with. Here you are taking your power back, either way, under these two cards. Right? What's that? Everything's actually gonna be coming here, crashing down. After you make this choice. Okay, Taurus. Let's have a see here what this tower is. And what is this tower? The universe under Taurus's energy. Under the leadership over the rest of March, please. Let's look at the tower here with under the leadership and Taurus's energy. Universe. The Magician. There you are, Taurus. High Priestess. Intuition. Hiding secrets. But it's about your intuition. Having all the answers, having all the tools, either the Magician. Possibly you're manifesting this. Because it's a change. Of actually rebuilding. Right? And having choices, right? Taurus. Let's look at the Magician here. What are you manifesting under the tower? What are you manifesting, Taurus, under the tower? This is a Virgo energy. Here you are, you're manifesting your new love, Taurus. Possibly a Leo. A happy partnership. This is about taking your power back. And healing. And opening up your feelings, possibly about even a marriage. Possibly you want to manifest a marriage. Possibly. It says that Ace of Pentacles under the Hierophant, under your energy, Taurus. Either the Ten of Pentacles. Again, this is a marriage incoming, Taurus. There's an offer coming. This is either you or you're manifesting it. Oh, you're holding on to something here. Let's look at the Ace of Cups under the Magician and the Tower. Wow, Taurus. Are you opening up for your new feelings? There's a Tower again, Taurus. The Ten of Pentacles. Possibly you're manifesting something here, my lovely. Empress is here. This is abundant energy. That is your energy, Taurus. There's an offer coming after making a hard choice. There's that choices card. I've actually gone cold again. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is actually rebuilding. Having a talk, opening up your feelings, right? Wow. Let's look at the Nine of Wands under the Lovers, over two paths, over two people. Let's see this heavy burden. Taurus, overcoming the challenge here. Don't hold on to it. It's asking you to let it go, because you are doing it, right? And this burden. You are making a choice, and for actually being here true to yourself, right? And actually making that choice. Possibly about this heavy burden, right? Because it isn't helping you at all. Let's look at the Nine of Wands here, Taurus. Under the Lovers, the Lovers. Possibly you're at actually a distance and it's a heavy burden for you. Here you are again, Taurus, at the bottom of the deck. Holding over your defences up here. Having your boundaries up, having your guard up. Let's look at the Nine of Wands universe under Taurus's energy about the choices, or even two paths here what are ahead. The Two of Pentacles, here you are actually adapting, everything coming together, organising your money, organising your whereabouts. This is about Empress energy, organisation. This is abundant energy, Taurus. This is your energy having a rebirth. But it's also possibly two people coming together under the Temperance, either the Queen of Pentacles and the Hanging Man under the King of Pentacles. This is about a marriage, possibly juggling, right? Under the Two of Pentacles. Let's look at the Two of Pentacles. Under that heavy burden, Taurus. Possibly don't know whether you're coming or going, alright? This is that energy as well. Under this energy of the Eight of Swords. There we go, you see. I don't know what to do energy. Oh no, I don't know what to do. Obviously you do know what to do. Because there is over justice. And ending this energy. This heavy burden. Actions have consequences. I was already telling you that, Taurus. Actions have consequences. Over cause and effect. Hiding emotions. Energy of Leo is here. Pisces, Cancer, or a Virgo. Under this again. Here we go again here with the third party. Other people interfering. There's a Judgment. And here's the ones. Here's a new opportunity. Let's look at the Justice. Can you tell me about this energy here with the Justice? in this heavy burden, please, in Taurus's energy. It's about making a choice on a partnership after deceit, after lies, after cheating, right? Actions you have all the consequences, Taurus. Here's the Two of Cups under the Justice. Ascending. Here you are, ending it. Taurus, or possibly Cancer, possibly an air energy Libra, or even a water sign, or even a Virgo. This is ending, and it's ending over to your destiny, Taurus, either the wheel. You are making that change. You after disappointment, you after regrets of the past. Empress, here you are again, Taurus. But it's also a Libra energy. And the Hermit, again, your Virgo energy. This is ending this heavy burden, right? And here you are now where you're blessed, right? Under the King of Emotion, Taurus. Let's see. Are you blessed? Is it actually a blessing? You've ended it. Let's see. Under the King of Cups, Taurus. Here you are making your wise choices after using your intuition and actually going with your heart here. Pardon me, Taurus. Over me. Taurus. There's a disappointment card again. Let's look at the King of Cups, Taurus. Under the blessed energy in the outcome. Our choice. There you are, Taurus. Possibly about a marriage. Here we go again. Or a home. Or a marriage. Hierophant is all about your marriages. Educating yourself. You're learning. Having the faith and the hope. After karma. There's the King of Pentacles. There you are, Taurus. Under the Nine of Cups and the Empress. There we are. Having your boundaries up, having your defences up. Let's look at the Two of Air under the disappointments. This is a person who you don't actually want to see this. This person is not interested. This person you don't actually want to hear what's going on. Let's see if I can get anything else out of this. King of Cups energy. Scorpio energy this is, but it's any water sign. There's having the defences up. Having your boundaries up. There it is again with the lies over deceit and the moon. Hiding things, hiding emotions. This is about working on yours. You're working on yourself now, Taurus. Eight of Pentacles, you with the judgments. Under the sun, there we go. And there you are again, Taurus, under that King of Pentacles. Under the Nine of Cups and the Empress. There we go. Can you tell me why it's a blessing? Here, universe. Tell me why this is a blessing. Here, in Taurus's energy. Because it is here, blessed energy. Let's look at the blessed energy. Tell me why here, Taurus is blessed. Doesn't really say a lot, really. Under the Queen of Cups is here. Region under the Knights of Air. This is about choices again. There you are, Taurus. Under Virgo energy, Hermits. There you are, you're learning. Here you are learning of ending the cycle here. Let's look at the choices under the Knight of Swords. There's the King of Wands. This is about having confidence here to move on after making the right choice. A right choice indeed. Over to victory. This is a win. After you make your wise choices, Taurus. Emperor, under the wheel. After having your defences up, here we go again. Having your boundaries up. Out of this energy. Out of mind games. Out of arguments. Other people interfering here in your marriage, possibly. Possibly your third party. After persevering. Here you are making it happen. And actually moving on. Out of the illusion. Taurus, wow, this is a blessing after you walk away, yeah, absolutely. Alright, I'll have to get you some advice here, Taurus. This is a marriage you're dealing with, or possibly of the third party. But here you are, you're manifesting a way out of it. Having two choices here, okay? And here you are making the right choice. Alright? Alright, Taurus. Oh, God, that was intense. Alright, Taurus. Let's look at your advice. Universe, any advice here for Taurus? Any advice over the rest of March for the sign of Taurus and only Taurus? There's that energy leadership here with the coming into power, Taurus. After knowing your worth. Right? Here you are, here, possibly making that change happen. Good, you've had enough of it. Right? Holding your ground here. Flying. That's that energy, holding your ground. Taurus. I ain't having it no more. Yeah. This is that energy, Taurus. In that Emperor mode. And there you are, you're winning. Right? Possibly an Emperor. Aries energy, Leo energy, it might be. Right, Taurus. I'll actually get you one more card. Taurus. It's asking you to be bold. It's asking you to remain humble about it. And just actually be actually normal. And just... It's asking you just to use of your intuition here. Because it is actually gonna work out here for you, okay? Into joy. There you go. This is our energy, blessed energy. Here again, inner childlike energy. Alright? It's asking you to remain cautious also, right? But here you are, possibly taking a leap and having that courage, that inner power. Inner power here to remain possibly calm here and just actually walk away out of this heavy burden. Alright? Alright, Taurus, I am going to end it there. If it did help, I'm asking you kindly, you alright adding your comments, hitting the like button. Every interaction helps, and it is amazing hearing off you as well. Alright, Taurus, I hope it helped. Okay, I'll end it there, Taurus. Bye bye for now. Thank you.